Hey again, it's awesome to have you here. In today's video I will show you how to model a frying pan in Blender. Let's dive in. Select everything and delete them. Go to Add Menu and from Mesh add Cylinder. From the menu at the bottom left corner change vertices to 64. Press S and change the size of our pan and press S then Z to change the height of it. Change the mode to Edit mode. Select the top side of the cylinder and press Delete. From the appeared menu select Faces. Select all the top vertices. Press E then S to add thickness to the pan. Press E then Z and move downward. Press F to connect these vertices by a mesh. Go to Front View and select all the bottom vertices. Press E then S to extrude the two faces together. And press G then Z and move the mouse downward. Repeat these last two steps many times. Select all the side edges and press Ctrl R to add loop cuts. Change the number of cuts to 3. Change the mode to Object mode. Press S then Z to adjust the height of the pan. Change the mode to Edit mode again. Select 4 besides faces and press E then Y to extrude the faces outside to model the handle of the pan. Select the edges of the handle. Press Ctrl R to add loop cuts. Change the number of cuts to a suitable number. You can adjust the shape of the handle by selecting some loop cuts and change their size. Repeat the previous step to reach the shape which you want. Go to Side View and change the handle slope. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Add Modifier and from Generate add Subdivision Modifier. Change the level viewport to 3. Change the mode to Edit mode. It's time to add textures to the pan. Select the handle edges. Go to Material Properties. Add New Material. I added red color to the handle. Change the roughness to 0.7 and the metallic to 0.2. Press Ctrl I and add new material to the pan. I make it white. Change the metallic to 1 and the roughness to 0.2. And then press Assign. Change the mode to Object mode and this is our frying pan. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.